Welcome, everyone. I'd like to welcome and introduce Phil Marlowe of Acuitive Solutions and Jim McCullen of Century Distribution Systems, winners of the 2012 World Trade Alliance Award in the International Freight category. Gentlemen, would you briefly introduce your companies, please?
Thank you, Steve. Hi, I'm Phil Marlowe, President and Chief Logistician of Acuitive Solutions, a logistics supply chain solutions provider. Our core offering, Global TMS, is a web-hosted transportation management system. Jim?
Hi, I'm Jim McCullen, Vice President of IT for Century Distribution Systems. We provide global logistics services and advanced IT solutions for importers and exporters around the world.
Jim, can you describe the solution you jointly developed for JOANN Stores?
JOANN Stores approached Century with the idea of building or integrating a freight bill audit solution into our supply chain management application, VMS. They wanted one solution that would validate carrier and consolidator data against the ocean carrier contracts and generate an accurate freight payable.
Jim, can you explain the role of each company in meeting JOANN's needs?
Sure. We recognized that each of the companies had unique strengths and that it would be better to focus on a best-of-breed solution. Acuitive worked on the contract management and carrier integration, and Century built the payables process into our VMS system so that JOANN Stores would have one tool to manage all of their supply chain processes. We worked directly with the ocean carriers to load their contract information and build EDI interfaces to collect bill of lading and shipping details. The confidentiality of the contract details were strictly maintained through the process.
Phil, what were some of the outcomes or results of your alliance?
There were a number of important outcomes of the alliance. One is that, together, we created a scalable, data-driven, automated prepayment audit solution that audited 100% of JOANN Stores' ocean invoices and fed the results directly into their financial systems. The number of invoices being paid incorrectly fell from nearly 25% to less than 0.1%.
So, gentlemen, what's next? Where do you see this alliance going?
One of the next logical steps is to begin using the tools and information to dynamically route shipments based on the true needs of the product. By aligning service selection to the needs of the product, we can increase on-time delivery and reduce cost.
Phil, I think we could take that one step further and move the process back to the origin offices. We could work with the customer to define a framework of costs based on product, commodity, priority. And then the origin teams at Century could use that information along with the freight cost and transit time data to route the freight the most cost-effective way while still delivering it on time.
Gentlemen, anything else before we close?
Yes, on behalf of Century Distribution and Acuitive Solutions, we'd like to give a big shout out to Brian Schuster and Scott Clark from JOANN Stores, who supported this project from the beginning. Without their support, we never would have achieved these results. Thank you.